Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a cute little alien loom band charm. Well, he's kind of like a loom band pet, see? I'm going to name him, Devin. This is Devin. I'm going to show you how to make Devin. We're going to start by making Devin's body. Really, the only thing that you need for making Devin that's a crucial color is 8 whites and 4 blacks for your loom bands. So I'm going to start by taking one of these. Now this could be any body color you want. I'm doing the fading look, like where you take a color that's kind of like the other one and you fade it in. So if you want to use the same colors as me, you're going to need some purples, some periwinkles. So really use whatever color you want, but I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, using 3 of these. Now I'm moving on to my next color. Whenever I say like a set or something, I mean always use 2 loom bands. So if I say 3, you're really using 6 loom bands. Because, yeah. Well, there's not that much contrast in the colors from what the video camera shows you, but like there is from where I'm looking. A little bit. So we have light purple or darker-ish purple. Beautiful, beautiful. Now I'm gonna move on to my darker faded-ish purple. So let's take 2 of you, and I always just use 3 in a row. So we have that. Now really put these on however you like. You just have to have 2 there. Slip that over. Some people who are like really good and advanced at making these, they can like pull the loom band and like do some fancy magic trick or something. I still have not figured it out, so no fancy magic tricks from me. And then we have a lot of this periwinkle-ish color because we're using more of that. So we're going to start with the 3 more. Because the faded purple and the periwinkle were right beside each other in my loom kit, so I decided that they kind of look good fading into each other. And it just kind of helps with the personality of Devin. Now, this is the crucial part. No matter what color you use for your body, you need white. You need white. If you don't have white, I'm sorry, you can't make this. Maybe if you used gray, but still. So you're going to want to put on one of these, 1 set of those, so 2 of those. Now we take the black, 2 black loom bands. That. Then we take 2 more whites. And now you can see that we've created one of Devin's eyes. I feel like he'd look good in like green and maybe orange. Okay, so now we're making the space in between his eyes. Sorry, that went off the camera for a little bit. So we're going to want to put, we were putting 3 between his eyes. So after I put on this one, we only need 1 more. Go. All of that on 1 more set. They're all tangled up because I took apart Devin to remake him. I did surgery. Not really. I more hacked him apart with my fingernails. So now that we have 1, 2, 3 of them, I'm going to take a set of those. So 2 of those. Oh, that went off the camera. I'm so sorry, guys. But you have 1 of those. The last of your black ones that you're going to need for this project. And the last of your white ones. So we've officially made Devin's eyes. He's looking more complete now. Now we just have to take the periwinkle color from me, or the orange or the green, or really whatever color you're using. I feel like you're looking good in orange or green. I don't know. Take 3 of those, because the official rule for Devin is that was off camera, I'm so sorry. Is he has 3. Yeah. It looks purple in the camera right now. It isn't. I don't know the names of these colors. I'm guessing this is periwinkle. Kind of looks like it. Now we take our faded-ish shiny purples. Now I got this Rainbow Friendship Loom kit. I don't know. It's fine if you have different ones, but they're supposed to be metallic, which I like about that because metallic equals shiny and shiny equals beautiful. There. And sorry, my finger just attacked the camera. Now we're going to use my favorite pretty looking purple. I'm going to do 3 of that. It very much contrasts with the faded one. Go. For the next part, after I finish the loop bracelet, just let me struggle. You'll have to bear with me because I had a hard time originally doing it. But anyways, we finished our very pretty purple. Now we move on to our slightly lighter, kind of obnoxious purple. I don't know, it's not that bad, but like, it definitely isn't my favorite. So now that we've done all of that, we add on 1 and only 1, like so. That. So we only added 1 on. We have our safe end, we have his eyes. Now I could just leave it like this, but that's too normal. I'll be back in a second, just gonna grab the clip. B-clip always. S-clip if you have to, but try to use B-clip. Gum clip. Take the clip. Gonna like slip it like that. Make sure they're all steady and tightened. That. Sorry. Just have to take out the loom hook. It's out. Safe. And now you just have to slip on the safe side that you originally made, which will always be safe. So even if one side of that side that I'm clipping on slips off, you'll be good. Just try to avoid that happening. So now that we have him, comes the hard part. I don't remember which way I originally put it in, So I'm just gonna try a bunch of different things. Tell you when I get it. Okay, so that was actually easier than I thought. So you see here, sorry about the clunky thing. We're gonna look at this side. So when you're here, see that right beside the eye? You just slip your loom hook in there, and then let me just, if you ever have to change your loom hook, I would suggest take it out, just putting some kind of pencil or something there. So take there, I slip in that hole. Then you take 2 of the desired color for your antenna, pull it over. Make sure you didn't hook any of the color of the bracelet in there. Then put that on the side, and you just keep going. Gonna take that out. Continue with this side. So I would suggest putting in 5. So this counts as 1. So 4 more to go. Let me just skip to the end, and I'll be back. That was weird. So I don't know, my hand was in the exact same spot, but I did my 5 of them. Now I'm gonna take, just gotta get these untangled, 2 green loom bands. These are for the top of Devon's antenna. This, slip it around, do a quick slip knot, pull that over the other one, tight. You're gonna wanna like shimmy this thing so you can't really see much of the blue. So you're just gonna wanna hook one side over and then like twist, put it over. Sorry guys, twist, put it over, twist till you're satisfied. It's kind of like in one of the videos that I watched on how to make an ice cream cone. Should make the cherry. Try to cover that bit up just a little bit. That's better-ish. Just gotta mold that to be straighter. Now that Devon's got one of his little antennas, I'm just gonna, you just go on the other side, do the exact same thing. I'm just gonna skip ahead for that. So Devon's making her landing in her spaceship. I don't have a spaceship, but let's pretend that this is a spaceship. Hello, Earthlings. I am Devon. I look good on people's wrists. I have came to invade your wrists. Well, Devon certainly has invaded our wrists. And looks good while doing it. So, let's see how she looks when she abducts. Can't really go around her, but like, I don't know. I'm mind controlling the cow. Come on, Devon, be nicer. No. The cow says that it is the end. Goodbye.